Found this cool Eevee like special pack at Target. Let's get into it. And look at that. It's a little bent from being in that pack, but I think if I put it in a top loader, it should be okay. It should be okay. That is a cool looking Eevee. Let me put it in a top loader, see if we can get that back into shape. Because right now it is pretty bent. You also have I can get it out. Got a cool Dragonite. I believe that's Dragonite. Guys, let me know if I got that right or not. Dragonite coin, or is it Lapras? It's Dragonite. Okay, let's open one of these first. See what we can get. One pack magic, maybe. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Halucha. Dancer. Semi-Sage. Voltorb. Pansage. Kufant. Gligar. Slugma. And the reverse is Electros. And Melmetal as the single strike holographic. And then we have the leaf. Okay. That's what we got for that. That Melmetal. Go 1, 2, 3 to the back. Here we go. Sydney. Diggersby. Crapalock. Pansage. Wooloo. Pancham. Darumaka. Indeedee. And the power tablet as a reverse holo. And there we go. A Dugtrio V Rapid Strike. Look at that. That is a nice hit. Haven't hit yet. Dugtrio is a Pokemon I remember distinctly from when I was a kid. Cool card, 3-headed bird. Watch out for that them beaks. Ooh, here we go. Let's see. What do you guys think so far? Is it a good pack or is this poop? This is poop. What do you guys think? 1, 2, 3 to the back. Let's go. Spongy Gloves. Excadrill. Dubwool. Energy. I'm a pimp. No, I'm sorry. Impidimp. Snom. Onyx. Jigglypuff. That's a cool card. Look at Jigglypuff. Kevin Durant. Ooh. Klefki. He's a key. It's crazy. And the last card is Maracas. I don't know if that's a good card or not, guys, but it might be a good non-shiny. We're gonna see. Put that right there. And that is it for the Eevee special pack, guys. Got that nice holo, but we pulled that awesome Dugtrio, guys. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe. Yo, we're back, and we were able to find some different first partner packs that I don't have yet with the cool oversized cards. I got my oversized collection going right now, which is pretty nice. I'm liking these a lot. So we're gonna open these up, see what we get. We're gonna start with the first partner packs. And nice big cards. And we got the Turtwig, Chimchar, and the Piplup. And here's the crazy thing about the Piplup. Look what I found at the Goodwill. It's a Piplup and a card. I don't know if it came like this, but this is super cool. I got this for 50 cents. That's the real deals. I'm probably gonna keep this for a little while. I think I'm gonna wash it. It's a pretty cool little plush. And now I got the cool card, oversized card to go with it. Let's get these in the book. Oh, keep these nice. Oversized card game is on point right now. It's on point. I think this is a cool little mix-up, different. When I was collecting Pokemon cards before, I'd never seen this, and me just getting into it. I don't know how long they've been doing the oversized cards, but that is a lit. It is a lit. It was a lit add-on to it. And let's see what packs we got in here. The Chilling Reign and the Sword and Shield. Let's see the Chilling Reign. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's throw that over there. 1, 2, 3. And let's go. One pack magic. Let's see. Clara, Flaffy, Eevee, Routes, Castform, Snover, Yamask, Coughing, and Hatchroom as the reverse holo. Nice looking card. And a Moltres V. That is a nice hit. Look at that card. That is lit. Moltres V. I'm telling you guys, I feel like I gotta look through my videos. I get most of my hits out of these nice special partner packs. I don't know what it is, but I like it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And this is out of the Sword and Shield pack. Let's see what we got. Dottler, Potion, Hitmo-chan, okay. Clobobus, Fryhorn, Blipbug, Choodle, Roselia, and the reverse holo is Croagunk. Weird looking Pokemon. And a Lapras V, a nice hit. Look at that. Yo, 2 back-to-back hits. I like that, cannot complain. And we have another one to open that we haven't opened yet. I like finding the ones. We'll check out what cards are in there next. Let's see these. We got Roulette, Litten, the kitten, and Papaleo. Let's get these guys in the book. This book is getting full. I like it. You ain't got these. You ain't got these though. Furry Attack. Rowlet. Like Owlet. Put that there. And then let's see what we have in here. We have a Sun and Moon pack and a Battle Styles pack. Ooh, let's see the Battle Styles. Let's see what we got. What you got? Never gonna get it. Never gonna get it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we got, guys. Fan of Waves, Dottler, Morpeko, Glammeow, for Sizzle, Dizzle, Pebble, Onyx, Chimico, Roly-Coly. Oh, and the reverse holo is the Escape Rope. Might need that rope to escape. And we got the Meow Stick as the holo. Can't complain about that. Pretty decent hit. Not a full art holo, but hey, can't always win. One pack magic though. We'll love it right here. Let's see what we can do. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we can do. Timer Ball. Pepler. Ultra Ball. Oh, nice. Got 2 balls. Bounce Sweet. Side Duck. Litten. Oh, we just got that oversized card. That's lit. Litten. Cosmog. Oh. And Dartrix as the reverse holo. It's a pretty cool. Oh, that's the evolution of Rowlet. Oh, that's pretty cool. And a Lantern as the non-holo. Can't complain. I like these hits. Got a Meow Stick, you know, Escape Rope. What do you guys think? Let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh guys, I almost forgot. That lucky Yu-Gi-Oh pack, Ancient Guardians. I have no idea about this, but we could do a quick video, quick Yu-Gi-Oh video, switch it up. I have no idea about these. 7 cards per pack. First edition Ancient Guardians. Let's see what we got. Yu-Gi-Oh, don't know what we're looking for. Don't know what we're looking for. And do you put anything to the back? I have no idea. The mighty Draco Slayer. Okay, whatever you say. Snake Rain spell card. Okay. Ogdoadic Calling. Luster Pendulum. The Draco Slayer. Okay, another Draco Slayer. Ogdoadic Origin. Okay. Master Paladin, the Ascending Draco Slayer. Another Draco Slayer. Okay. And Ultrastic Slider as the shiny. It's a spell card. Guys, is this a good pack? Was this a good pull? This was the Yu-Gi-Oh Guardians, Ancient Guardians. You guys let me know because I have no idea about this, but it was fun. I'm gonna review some more Pokemon items I got from Target today. These were interesting. They're just a small, like, Sword and Shield Evolving Skies Eevee pack. Comes dynamic power on the horizon. Feel the power of shifting winds and brace for an epic storm as mighty dragon type Pokemon make their triumph return. Let's see what they're talking about. I like the Eevee and I like the little pin, the little coin that comes with it. Ooh, get this card out. See, that's the only thing about buying these packs with these cards. There goes that coin. It's just that these cards, when they come out of here, they are a little bent because of the pack, the packaging that it comes in. But look at that Eevee, that's cool. Nice artwork. Let's see that one pack magic. Let's see. Okay, see a nick it quick. 1, 2, 3. And let's go. Flowlet, Rubber Gloves, Tentacle, Nickit, Bergmite, Roggenrola, Flat Baby, Swablu, and Flowlet. Oh yeah, we just got that non-hollow at the start. Look at that. Non-hollow and the reverse hollow. Flowlet and Arteria, non-hollow. So that was the first pack. Cool pack. Put that to the side. Gonna open this one. Same thing, the pack. Actually, might leave that in there for now. I'll do the same thing with this. And here we go. Let's get some magic. Let's get some magic. Let's go. Umbreon me or no? Come on. Let me get an Umbreon. Let me get an Umbreon. Let's go. 1, 2, 3 to the back. Let's see what we got. Zwoleless. Ribbon badge. Okay. Bergmite. Carvanhan. Emogala. Emolga. Sloth. Glossifleur. Oh, they keep doing this back to back. That's lit. I got the reverse hollow ribbon badge, and then I got the regular ribbon badge. So, and let's go. Let's see what we got. Gyarados VMAX. Let's go. That is a hit. Yo, look at that. That is a dope card, and it looks flawless. Oh man, it looks great. Look at that. Yo, that is going into a top. Yo, if I can get it in there. Yo, Gyarados VMAX, let's go. Let's go. I promise I don't get, I've only opened a couple Elite Trainer boxes, but I am getting lucky on the mini tins, the partner packs, and things like this. I've been getting real good hits. So don't be afraid to grab some of the cheaper items with less stuff inside, because you never know. Toy Catcher, Crystal Cave, Rising, Scraggly, Phoebus, Hitmo-chan, Sloth, Petey Little. Oh, and that Lucky Ice Pop. I could use a Lucky Ice Pop right now. And then Sesame Toad, non-holo. Hey guys, it was worth it. We got the Eevee holo in every pack, and then we got a few other things, but this Gyarados VMAX is definitely worth it. On top of the Gyarados VMAX, we have the Eevee, and we have 3 Eevees now, and the coin. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe. Gyarados VMAX. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is for the future. I will be selling repurposed packs, 30 cards in a pack, no less than 2 foil cards. Gotta find a way to not stack up on so much bulk cards after opening up packs. So I'm getting all of these ready, guys, and I am gonna figure out the pricing, what I should price it for. I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, maybe $15, $10. 30 cards, 2 foils in every card. I mean, in every pack. I feel like that's pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. This is for the future. I'm not sure yet when I'm gonna start doing this, but we're gonna see. Let me know in the comments, guys. The real deals. Like, comment, subscribe.